Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we've got an announcement to make, haven't we?
Yeah.
What are we going to announce?
A competition that we're doing this month, and if you win, you get this book to teach you how to draw realistic animals.
If you want to win this amazing book, what you've got to do is subscribe to our channel and send us in some of your drawings and post them into our Facebook page. What is our Facebook page?
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
And also in general, if you enjoy our tutorials, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Right, what are we going to be drawing today?
A pizza.
Which sort of pizza is it? Steve pizza?
Yes.
Okay then, so we're going to be drawing Steve pizza today. Shall we get started?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Yeah, I already know that.
Okay, so we're going to make a diagonal line from here to about here. Okay. And then we're going to stop. Leave a little
I've
gap.
already done it.
Yeah, but we've got to pretend that we don't know. Right, so then we're going to do like a little W here. Okay, like that, that's perfect. Okay, and then we're going to do a diagonal line this way. Like that. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to carry it on about here like that. Okay. Right, so at this point we're going to do a circle. Like that.
That's for the crust.
Yeah. And then we're going to do a horizontal line down and on like that. Yeah, and then we're going to do a little backwards sort of C like that. And along the edge of the crust we're going to do like a line of M's. So we're going to go round, 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 like that. Okay. And now the next thing to do is we're going to do
Do I have to get the black?
the sunglasses. Yeah, we do it black, and what we're going to do is we're going to do is like a slight angle. So here
Oh yeah, that's for the glasses.
we're going to do a line like that.
That's for the glasses.
Yeah, and then at this point we're going to do an angle
That your
kind of like that.
Sharpie doesn't.
Yeah, well, Sharpie looks like it's running out, doesn't it? Okay, so on the end of the
Do like
the arm of the glass, what do you call that bit on the side of it? The whole loops around
The
to your
end?
ear. The end of the glasses. We're going to do like a little loop there, like that. And we're just going to make this line a little bit thicker, like that. Okay. Now midway.
Hey dude, he's like hey dude.
He is like hey dude. That is totally what he's like, right? We're going to loop
He's proud
round
of
and
himself.
join.
He's a show off.
Yeah, he kind of is, isn't he? He's very happy. Yeah? And then we're going to do another one this side. Like that.
And then you're meant to do that.
And then we've got to do, yeah, that's good. And then we've got to do the reflection. So we're going to do a wiggly line like that. Can you do a wiggly line like that?
I've already done that.
And then do the same.
I'm already ahead.
You're already ahead, are you?
Yeah,
We'll do another
not
one like that. Okay?
Easy.
How are we done? Oh, you've already done it. Okay, so I need to catch up. So I'm going to do another wiggly line.
That's because I've drawn
Like
them
that?
before.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, in Art for Kids.
Right, so for their egos, we pretend that it's the other way around.
Can I?
Okay, so we're going to do a curved line in like that.
I've already done it.
Yeah, and a bit like that.
Wait, can
So I'm just copying
Can I
you.
do something for the teeth?
Hold on, okay. Okay, very good. Alright, so the next thing to do, what are we going to do next? Should we get a red pen and do some like circles for the pepperoni? So let's go like that and do a circle there. And go
Colour it
here and do a circle there. Yeah, let's colour it in. And should we do another circle up here? use the orange pen. Okay, so along this edge, you want to draw another orange line running alongside it. Yeah? And we keep it going to about here, and then we're going to stop. Okay? And then I'm going to carry on, and then I'm going to stop about here to make room for his little skinny legs. Okay? And we're going to do the legs really simply. We're going to do a diagonal line coming out this way, and another diagonal line that way. And then we're going to do a little bit of a curve and a straight line like that. Yeah? And on this side,
he's doing the split.
we're doing the split. Yeah, it's kind of doing like a power pose, isn't it? Alright. We do the same that way. Yeah?
Can I do something weird?
Yeah, you can do something weird.
Wait,
Really full on.
Okay. Alright, so look, we'll do a diagonal line that way. And a diagonal line that way.
But I want to do like a hay, like one arm is on your hip and then...
Yeah? Okay. And then,
So just show the one you can show you.
how are we going to do? What are we
Say
doing?
hello, what are you doing?
We're going to make him...
one hand on the hip and do that.
Right, so you want a hand going up that way, so you kind of want to go down and then up. Is that right? So like that and like that, yeah? And then here we'd want to do like a leaf shape. So do like a leaf shape like that. Yeah, and then if we do like a smaller leaf like that for his thumb. Okay?
Oh, I connected it.
Yeah, don't worry. And then I'm going to do another line like that. And another line like that. That's why we're working in the orange, so it doesn't matter if we
Can I colour it in?
Yeah, because if we colour it all in, then it's going to be the right colour, yeah? So don't worry, yeah? Okay, so we've done that bit of the hand. We just need to loop that bit round.
Wait.
And then I'm going to do a diagonal line this way. And then I'm going to do another diagonal line going up to there, like that. Okay, and then running parallel, I'm going to do another line like that, make that connect. Watching? Yeah, no, that's good. So you just do it, look, hold on. So you do another line there and make it join up. Yeah. And then we're going to loop it round and then follow like that. Okay. And the next thing to do is let's get a red or a darker orange. We'll do some of the drips of the cheese, yeah? What do you want to do?
I want to do a beautiful. And it's going to be... Can I do a speech bubble?
Right, so now let's colour it in, shall we? Okay. Wow, what a fantastic Mr. Pizza! Fantastic! That looks just like Steve Pizza. Well done, Yuli. That's awesome.
It says, hey, babe.
Fantastic. Shall we tell everybody about our competition?
Yes.
If you'd like to win this amazing book on how to draw animals,
Realistic.
what do the viewers need to do?
Press the bell button for notifications.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yes,
and send in your work to where?
To us.
Yeah, via our Facebook page. Is that
Yes.
right? And who's going to judge which work is the best?
Me.
What is our Facebook address?
Magic Pencil Art for Kids.
Okay, I hope
It's the best.
It is the best. I agree, and I'm an unbiased judge. If you enjoyed our tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications, and please subscribe to our channel. What else do we need to do? Say goodbye to the viewers. Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, and I hope we see you soon.